In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open a Buick Terraza key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You might have a device that looks similar to this, but some of them don't have this center button, the trunk button there. Don't worry, it's the same device. We just have slightly different versions, but the process to open it up is going to be the same. The battery's the same and everything like that. Just follow along with me here and we will get a new battery in there for you in no time. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries and a regular flathead screwdriver. You can get these batteries online, and I will leave a link down in the description for you to pick one of them up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then once you have everything, we can just jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is look down on the bottom of the device here. You can see right where this key ring attaches, and then along the seam in this plastic, there is a little indentation in the plastic, a little slot that we're going to use to open this thing up. So put a flathead screwdriver into that area and just kind of wiggle it in there until you feel it get wedged into that space, and you can just then twist the screwdriver to start to open this thing up. And now I suggest you just work your way down the side, twisting it open, just to not damage this area too much. And then you can pull it apart with your fingers, and there we go. We actually want this circuit board to come right out. Sometimes you might open it up and it's going to be stuck down in this rubber component here. What you want to do is just gently lift it out. You can set this to the side for now, and we're just going to slide the battery out with our thumb and dispose of the old battery. And then when you're taking your new CR2032 battery, make sure the positive side is going face up. So you're just going to slide that in with that plus sign facing up, and now we can just put it back together. So set the circuit board into this rubber component, just fit it in there nicely with the battery side going up, and once it's sitting down in there, you can put the back on top and squeeze it all back together, and you are finished. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, you can always let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have videos here on this YouTube channel for pretty much all devices from every make or model you could think of. And we also have all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.